Kate here with WTI. Now, if you have a limited amount of space, but you want to have a sweet little end table like this end table from Dulcii is amazing. So it is the perfect size to tuck away beside a couch, beside your bed, in a reading nook, in your bathroom hallway. You can use this all over the place because it has a very small footprint. It has 3 shelves, so you can use this for decor, for functionality, whatever you want, but it makes it so convenient in any space. It's got a really nice wood grain type finish. It is solidly made and went together so simply. So under 10 minutes to assemble this. It's very, very easy. It even comes with the Allen key. All you need to do is screw it in with the Allen key and you're good to go. I like that it's sturdy, so it doesn't want to topple over. It stays in place really nicely. You can count on it being secure with whatever you have on it. And it's portable, so if you decide you want to mix up your decor, it's easy to cart around. It also has really nice black legs, which just adds to the simplicity, really nice sleek design. Each tier is a little bit different in size, so it looks really sweet in your space. They come in different colors. This is the nice dark brown wood grain. I think it looks really sharp next to the dark accents. So if you need something similar, I highly recommend this one. I think you'll be really pleased with it, and that's my point of view.